Today I want to show you how to make the blueberry cheesecake muffins. It's my second time actually participating in the Biocreations Asia Baking Challenge, and I had so much fun the first time that I decided to join the second time. So today, let's start with the ingredients. So first we're gonna start with the butter, okay? And then today we have the privilege and luxury of using the Thermomix. Followed by the light brown sugar, the white sugar. Now let's add the egg. And then this is the Greek yogurt, which is unflavored, so it adds a bit of tanginess and sourness to the muffins. Okay, and now we're moving on to the important ingredients of today, which are the Biocreations products. So here I have, which is the German wheat flour, wheat type 550, and it's very suitable for breads, pancakes, cookies, and it has a patented greenwashing technique to make it more healthier as well as cleaner flour. Next, this is the Panettone sourdough premix. So Panettone, when actually...
So not premix, sourdough powder.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
We will edit later. Yeah.
Sourdough powder.
Sourdough powder.
Okay, this is the Panettone sourdough powder, and when I opened it up, I found it very fragrant and it's very fruity. So it's very suitable for cakes, cookies, or breads that you think will go well with this taste profile. And if you want to make other kinds of sourdough products with other types of taste profiles, you can use the other products that Biocreations has. Okay, so let's add this in. Followed by... Okay, now let's add the berry mix. This is 100% natural. It also smells nice. And it's actually extracted from the rowan berry, which is used to replace chemical additive for food, which is called potassium sorbate. And this actually helps extend the shelf life by around 5 to 7 days. And it's an award-winning product. You add around 3 to 5% of the flour weight. Okay, now let's add the baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Okay, let's put it in the Thermomix now. Now we're done with mixing our batter, so we're gonna add the chopped blueberries now. We're gonna just fold it in lightly so that we have a bit of blueberry in each part of the muffin, and you can get a little bite of the juiciness. Now we're gonna start making the streusel. First, we're gonna add the German wheat flour type 550, followed by 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, the brown sugar, and the butter, which is cold and cut. You can also use your hands to mix it together. Okay, now let's move on to making the cheesecake filling. First, let's add the softened cream cheese inside the Thermomix bowl. And we're gonna use the Thermomix to make it softer. Now we have our softened cream cheese. We're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So first we're gonna add egg yolks. This is around 2 egg yolks. Followed by the white sugar. Lemon zest and lemon juice. Right, so it's around 1.5 teaspoons. And now we're gonna put the ingredients inside the Thermomix again. bake the muffins for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. After that, we'll lower the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and bake them for another 15 minutes.